Hey everyone, how's everyone doing? I'm just going to do a quick market review for NQ. Let's see here. So looking at the monthly chart, we've had a huge expansion lower just from last month's indecisive candle. That was a huge sell-off. We've passed consequent encroachment of this week, of this August monthly candle. And now looking at the weekly chart, we've kept this inefficiency, this SIBI here, completely opened. So this is letting me know that we are very bearish. We have no interest even coming up into this premium. We're just coming up and dropping right back down. So my interest is these relative equal lows going into the rest of this year. Might be sooner. Okay, we've completely repriced sell side into this busy. So all of this was buying, and now we've had the sell side of the curve. So looking here at the daily, right, let's see here. This is amazing. We've hit perfectly to this volume imbalance, and this stuff will never get old and it will never change because this is the algorithm. This is the market. This market will continuously only reprice to liquidity and efficiencies, and that's it, above and below market price. And this volume imbalance here was an inefficiency. There was no body laid across it, so the market's going to be drawn towards that area. Okay, so we've had this huge sell-off here. I'm going to take my fib, put it to the low. Let's make sure we got the 50% on here. All right. From this high to this low, this is our defined dealing range. So after having this huge sell-off, everyone thinking the market was going to crash within this week, it swept liquidity. It left relative equal lows, which is building sentiment for people wanting to buy in at the end of basically the dip. So it's building up a lot of interest, a lot of orders, a lot of liquidity down here, just so we can have what we're having now is a sharp drop lower. We are going to be heading towards this liquidity pool. It doesn't mean it's going to happen next week or the week after. It's just something in my interest that's going to happen if we continue breaking lower and our market structure is bearish. None of these PD arrays are holding up. We have here, ran right through it. We have this one down here, completely ran through. And this is just very heavy order flow. So we've came back up into a premium. Our first array would be this volume imbalance. We've dropped from it. There we go. So something I'm going to be looking forward to as some targeting and some draws would be this volume imbalance, these relative equal lows. I'm going to take a look at the 4 hour. This singular low right here be another target. Now if we have some kind of retracement higher, I'm looking at these relative equal highs as a draw as well. If there's any kind of retracement into a premium, I'll be looking for that. And this inefficiency right here, that will be a draw. We might get that in Sunday, just depending on where we gap. That is definitely an interest for me. But yeah, just down here is way too smooth. Just a lot of interest down here. Looking at the 1 hour, and we have a new week opening gap. Right here, so, and we've hit it to the tick, just a little bit over. So that was beautiful for Friday's trading, coming down into this new week opening gap. I like to see how we gap Sunday to see where we're going to be at for the rest of this week. But definitely interests are, if we have any kind of retracement higher, I'm looking at this area here as a stop rate, along with this premium up here. But if we continue to be heavy and quickly, it's definitely this area down here. There's way too many orders resting down here. Way too many orders and interest. So that's what I'm going to be looking forward to for next week. And we'll take a quick look at news drivers to see kind of the lay of the land that we're getting for next week. So nothing on Monday or Tuesday. Wednesday we have CPI. Thursday we have PPI. So these two heavy news drivers, I am going to be careful for Monday and Tuesday's trading, because interest might be within Wednesdays and Thursdays just because of the volume. I'd like to see what they do with these numbers. If there's any kind of manipulation going upward, just to draw in interest, and then they send it lower. So that is all for today, and hope you found this video insightful. Thank you.